If I was to describe my new kitchen in 3 words, it would be hard-wearing, functional, and beautiful. I'm Matt Ryle, executive chef partner at Maison and Café Francois, which are 2 big French brasseries in London, and you're with me in my home kitchen today, where I shoot all of my content for social media. When I was designing this dream kitchen, it just had to perform like a professional kitchen, so it had to be durable. It needed to be hard-wearing, most importantly, because I'm using it all the time. So, I mean, the worktops was something that was very special to me. I wanted them to look amazing. I wanted them to look like natural stone, but I wanted them to be able to put up with, you know, my cooking. And as a chef, I'm very demanding of my worktop surfaces. And Dekton, it's scratch resistant, it's heat resistant, and it doesn't absorb any liquids, which for me was so important because I'm always cooking with red wine and, you know, spices that stain. And I mean, the scratch resistant thing, I'm always like pushing big heavy pans around and taking stuff out of the oven. And I just needed that in my kitchen. My favorite detail, my favorite little hidden gem of this kitchen is the pocket doors, where I've got all my, you know, kitchen utensils hidden and coffee machine and stuff. The first piece of advice I would offer to someone who's starting their kitchen design renovations, I kind of had a blank piece of paper and I just, you know, went through my week, cooking breakfast, cooking lunch, cooking dinner, and then just kind of designed the space around that, picking worktops that can, you know, put up with whatever you're going to be doing day to day. Also just like position of everything, where's your sink going to be, where's the dishwasher going to be, all of those things. I don't have to move that much, so I kind of open the dishwasher and then the plates are there, and you know, you can just kind of do a little circle, which I really like, not having to move too much. Between functionality and aesthetic, I don't think there is one that wins. I think they're both equally as important, and Dekton provides both performance and aesthetic.